My fiancé's prenup was actually a legal trap to take everything I own. I was sitting in my lawyer's office 3 days before my wedding when she slid the prenup back across the desk with a look that made my stomach drop. Rebecca, you cannot sign this document. If you do, you'll lose everything you own the moment you say, I do. My hands went numb. What are you talking about? Mark said it's just standard protection for both of us. This isn't protection, she said, tapping a section highlighted in yellow. This is theft disguised as a prenup. See this clause? It says all assets brought into the marriage become jointly owned immediately. But this clause here says in the event of divorce, the primary earner retains all jointly owned property. You make $40,000 a year. Mark makes $200. You'd walk away with nothing. The heat rose in my neck and my vision went blurry. That can't be legal. It's legal if you're stupid enough to sign it, my lawyer said bluntly. Rebecca, this gets worse. See section 12. You're waiving all rights to your inheritance, your business, even your retirement accounts. And this clause about lifestyle maintenance means if you divorce, you'd owe him monthly payments for 3 years. I stared at the document. At Mark's signature at the bottom, already signed and dated. Why would he do this? Because he's not planning a marriage, she said quietly. He's planning a heist. I drove home in a daze. Mark was in the kitchen cooking dinner, humming, looking like the man I'd loved for 2 years. The man who proposed on a beach at sunset. The man who was apparently planning to rob me blind. Hey babe, he smiled. Did you get the prenup signed? Not yet, I said carefully. My lawyer wanted to review it first. His smile faltered. Just for a second. Why? It's standard stuff. My lawyer said it's what everyone does. Really? I pulled out my phone, opened the photo I'd taken of the document. Because my lawyer says this clause here means I'd lose my business if we divorced. The bakery I built from nothing. Mark's expression went cold. Your lawyer doesn't know what she's talking about. She's been practicing family law for 20 years, I shot back. I think she knows a trap when she sees one. Wait, it gets worse. Mark set down the spatula. Rebecca, if you're not going to trust me, maybe we shouldn't get married. Trust you. I laughed. This harsh sound. You handed me a document that would let you steal everything I own and you're talking about trust. I'm not stealing anything, he shouted. It's called protecting assets. My family has money, and they want to make sure. Make sure what? That you can marry me, take my business, my inheritance from my grandmother, and leave me with nothing? The words were tumbling out now. Did you think I wouldn't notice? That I just signed because I was too excited about the wedding. Mark's jaw clenched. You're being paranoid. Am I? I pulled out my laptop, opened my email. Because I did some digging today. Turns out your ex-wife Lisa filed a lawsuit against you last year. For fraud. Says you pulled this exact same scam on her. His face went white. That case was dismissed. Because you settled out of court, I said. For $80,000. Money you stole from her using a prenup identical to mine. Mark grabbed his keys. I don't have to listen to this. No, you don't, I said quietly. Because the wedding's off. And I'm sending this prenup to every lawyer in the state as an example of marriage fraud. He stopped at the door. You'll regret this, Rebecca. I could have made you someone. I already am someone, I said. Someone smart enough not to sign her life away to a con artist. Mark left. I called every vendor, canceled everything, lost $12,000 in deposits. But I kept my business, my inheritance, and my dignity. 2 months later, I heard through friends that Mark got engaged again. New girl, same prenup. I sent her a message with copies of the document and the lawsuit. She called off her wedding too. So tell me, was I wrong to destroy his reputation and warn his next victim, or did the man who tried to legally rob me deserve to have his con exposed to everyone?